This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a traditional, delicious recipe for you.
Today we have a simple, tasty recipe for Chinese beef stew. But we're going to take a few shortcuts here to make this dish. It's going to be a fast, easy method.
Going to this Chinese supermarket to buy some supplies. I'll show you what you can buy at a Chinese supermarket. It's a busy local Chinese supermarket. Lots of variety to buy your different products. Here we have some cooked flank tendon. So it's already been cooked, so you just need to put it in your recipe. So this is the flank steak that came out of the package. So as you can see, it's already portion cut, and also it has been parboiled and also boiled. You only need to cook it for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. If you want more flavor, you can low simmer it for an hour. So put about 3-4 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Got some slices of ginger I'm going to put in there. So it's pretty large slices. You got maybe half a dozen slices in there.
Put the beef in and add 4 to 5 cups of water.
So these are the main ingredients I'm going to put in. So I can put the main ingredients in now. I have 3 star anise, 3 small bay leaves here. So bay leaves will tie all the flavors together.
Here I have half a dried Chinese mandarin orange peel.
So put about a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. So this is a traditional chu ho paste, chu hao diang. So this chu ho paste has fermented bean curd in it. So put 2 tablespoons of the chu ho paste in there. So next I'm going to put a brick of cane sugar. So roughly 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't have this, you can use brown sugar if you like. So this is cane sugar. So this is really good for making Chinese stew. I'm going to put a teaspoon of rock salt. You can use regular salt if you like, but I'll put the rock salt. It's a natural salt. So these are the flavors that I like. You can put other flavors in there too if you like, but this is what I like.
If you are putting daikon radish in your stew, put them in now because they take 30 or more minutes to cook. This stew only takes 20 to 30 minutes to cook, but if you want the beef more tender, just cook it a little longer. There you have it, a simple, fast way to make Chinese beef stew, which you can serve on noodles or rice. Enjoy.
Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.